Sorry guys, these episodes are going to be shorter, but whatever. How it is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Mythic Legends. In the last episode of Let's Play Pokemon Mythic Legends, we wake up from our dream, doesn't give us Suicune a nickname, we got some Pokeballs, scavengers through Rovendria Tunnel, and we are at Route 1 now. Also, I done a poll in my comment section from the last episode, and here the okay, so the Pokemon 5 Pokemon get tied. So the highest likes a Pokemon got is 2, and 5 Pokemon gets tied. They are Sandshrew, Diglett, Zubat, Tailo, and Meowth. I'm gonna choose from the 5 of them. The Pokemon who got 1 like are Tangela, and no Nidoran doesn't get any like, Pidgey doesn't get any like. The remaining Pokemon who got 1 like is Changala and Cubone. Obviously I'm gonna pick from the 5. So I used on Tailo, so Tailo is off the branch. So let's see another Pokemon. And the other Pokemon is Sandshrew. The remaining are Sandshrew, Zubat, Diglett. I already used Junkrobat, so Zubat is out of the park. And we have Diglett, Sandshrew, Diglett and Sandshrew. So let's see, Diglett, Sandshrew, and Meowth. So I'm gonna use Sandshrew. So I'm gonna see you guys when I catch in Sandshrew. And there it is, and effing Sandshrew. So also Balta is also available. I messed up on that part. Tell me in the comments if you wanna see me using a Balta. But let me catch this thing. We caught it. So let's nickname this Sandshrew. I thought of good name for this thing, so let's name it from an avatar character, because in my mind no character is in my mind. Boomy, the friend of Aang. Okay, Ace. So let's go. Okay, let me put our Pokemon. Boomy is looking low. I'm gonna heal up. Okay, so I defeated this trainer. Okay, there's a way this side. Let's go. Okay, what's up here? What is this place? Challenge of the elements. Okay, let's go into this building. Tower of elements, 2 elements. Oh, we can finally buy some things here. I'm gonna buy some potions because they're really going to be helpful. Some antidotes because who's going to deal with some paralyzed. Okay, let's heal up our party. And yeah, let's challenge this tower. I'm afraid I can't let you the element tower challenge until God, you must be trolling with me right now. Then why are you selling potions here? Okay. God, grinding is awful in John GBA. So let's see this. Okay, we have to have 8 badges. Dude, grinding sucks in John GBA. Cause the last I'm playing Gaia and this game on John GBA, and emulator packs is so much faster than this. So yeah, cause hence my fire red playthrough is so fast. So let's continue our journey. We are at Silent Town and our rival. Hey Electro, what took you so long to? I have been waiting for here the entire time to see what starter you got. What about? You don't need to tell me. Electro battling skills talk. Also, he's gonna have a starter weak against our starter. Cause look at this, Suicune is super effective against Charmander, Raikou is super effective against Squirtle, and Yanta is super effective against Bulbasaur. They are so genius, these game creators are so effing genius. I wish they gave him a Bulbasaur or something to counter Suicune. Okay. Wow, Electro, you're natural at battling. Next time I won't be so soft. So I'm going to get the first badge. Dude, did you just see that I have Suicune? Wow, these game creators are sleeping when writing our rival's dialogue. I'm gonna heal up our party. Guys, I'm gonna search for a free stuff, some free stuff, and I'll see you guys when I got an interesting item. Fishing rod, no. Okay, guys, we got an old rod. Okay, looks like there's nothing interesting in this game. Sorry, in this town. So yeah, let me go to the next town. Also, let's talk to this girl. Okay. So we are gonna check out the forest next time. And that's first episode, guys. I'll see you guys in the next episode of Let's Play Pokemon Mythic Legends. Okay. So that's it. Peace. Man, those magic cards are hard to take on. So yeah, I'm gonna heal up. What is this? Which Pokemon is tutoring? Wow! We can teach some moves to Pokemon. Uh, Suicune? No. Okay, I'm gonna take on the remaining two fishermen on that bridge, and that is the free XP for us. Okay, the second trainer is also easy. I'm gonna heal up. Okay, guys, I defeated every trainer here. So this Clarity town doesn't serve any purpose. So we're in Glarong Forest. What's your purpose, you boy? What's your purpose? Pokeballs. So yeah. Also, I'm gonna check this game's wiki and know some stuff. Also, I will know some about some Pokemon availability because we can get what is that thing Balto and Rovindra cave. So yeah, God, that thing is level 13. Wow. This. So I'm gonna do some grinding then. So if I can finish this battle, yes, bye bye Ratata. I'm gonna do some grinding, guys. I will check out this game's wiki, and yeah, I'm gonna do some grinding off screen. So that's it for this episode, guys. I'll see you guys in the next episode of Let's Play Pokemon Mythic Legends. Peace.